Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate or add animations on your PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so open up your PowerPoint. And now, for example, you already have this thing or a presentation update or presentation theme on your PowerPoint, then let's just go ahead and proceed with clicking this animation. So how would you like that to show up? Like fly in, fade, or just appear, float, split, wipe, shape. So there's a lot that you can choose a bunch of lists here. So for example, there you go. Let's just use that. And then you can also choose the duration and you can choose the delay. All right. I hope that this video helped you and see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.